Okay, guys, so a bit of a different one today. Yes, I'm on a train heading to Amsterdam. Okay, from London. You can do it. You can go under the sea. But more importantly, let's talk about the market. Crazy, crazy. Ethereum is actually outperforming Bitcoin right now. So I've got a few things to show you in this video. First up, we will look now at the low time frame of Ethereum, and you can see on this 12-hour chart, we clearly have a break of the trend. We clearly have a break of this resistance. It's quite evident to see. There's also some major breaking news today that you can see as well from Fidelity. They have actually pledged, not only just pledged, they've actually actioned it. They have purchased $250 million worth of Ethereum. Ethereum get back to that $10,000 level very, very soon. I don't know, possibly could happen. I've got some Ethereum charts to show you and my trade. So let's just get straight into the video. Hit the like button as well, guys, especially that I've done the research on a train and I'm bringing you this video. All right, guys, let's take a look at the charts together. And I think it's important that actually we do have a quick look at Bitcoin first of all before the Ethereum charts, where we can see there is a confirmed breakout. Yes, there's some resistance currently at 94 to $99,000. This is the chart. We've had the breakout. The resistance is currently at about 93K. And the next major level, let's say, is about 106 to 109,000 at all-time high. But of course, do expect that psychological level of 100,000 to be a major level of resistance, as it always is going to be, guys, when it comes down to any trading. These big levels are very, very important. So next chart I want to show you is, look, Ethereum not only outperforming Bitcoin today, as you can see, up above $1,800 at time of recording. It's above Solana, it's above ADA, and it's above a lot of the other altcoins as well. So very bullish indeed. Now, this chart actually shows us Ethereum against Bitcoin going back for a long period of time, all the way since 2016, essentially. But what I want to draw your attention to is the reaction that Ethereum's getting from this major support low. If you're ever thinking about a trade that you could put in right now, converting from Bitcoin to Ethereum and other major altcoins like Solana and Sui at this point in the cycle have typically paid big dividends. You can see in the resistance of the RSI, same thing that happened in 2020 or late 2019. We had a break of trend on the RSI, we had a bullish divergence, and we got a big rally in the market. So very interesting to look at there. And of course, we're going to take a look at this chart for Ethereum on the daily chart. I will update you quickly on this trade as well. I know it's upside down, but that trade is currently around $860 in profit from when we opened that trade in my last video. So let's talk about this major, the daily chart for Ethereum here, where we can see a clear break of trend and next major resistance eyeing up that $2,000 level. I think that's evident to see. We've broken this, this downward resistance purple line and this lower time frame sideways resistance line. So very, very bullish indeed. So this is my trades, just so you can see here. I have a link in the video description below. Guys, if you want some free crypto, check out Femex. If you use my link, guys, in the description below, you will actually be able to get no KYC. So it's a whitelisted KYC link. Femex is probably, well, certainly in my opinion, the best UI, best UX, best features, best liquidity exchange you can use without having to do KYC. Obviously, there's BYBIT, there's Binance, great exchanges, but Femex actually allows you no KYC. They've got Memex, which is allowing you to buy meme coins even without the bother of a DEX or wallet. Really good exchange. Recommend it. Link down below. So the next thing we ought to look at here, which I think is equally, if not even more important, even more important than even more important than the bonus, because I didn't mention, is actually 20% cash back as well on your first deposit on Femex, is this chart. Now, this chart is the 4-hour chart. So we're going into the low time frame here for Ethereum. And you can see that there is arguably some kind of cup and handle pattern playing out. And also you can see the resistance very clearly from the next major high, which was on the 25th of March. And also on the high time frame here, look at this. We've broken a multi-week downtrend curvature resistance line. So that 2150 really is a next major level. And we're seeing a lot of similarities to what Bitcoin did in 2019, 2020. Is Ethereum going to play out in a very similar way, basically? I believe so. I believe we will see Ethereum catch up in a big way, like it has done in other stages of the cycle. Let me know what you think in the comments. And lastly, guys, well, I say lastly, the last thing I wanted to show you was my trade setups in the Telegram community, right? So this is where you can get my trade setups for free. Link in the description. I'm going to be posting in real time over the next day or two. Ethereum, Bitcoin, and some of the altcoins and meme coins I'm trading as well. So thank you so much for watching me. I am on my way to Amsterdam. If you've been, or if you're from there, let me know any good recommendations, any recommendations for anything. I'm always interested. And I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.